Hey friends, it has been a couple days, so let's go collect eggs. Let me show you how pretty they are. These nesting boxes are hen gear and you will have clean eggs every time. Check this one. Oh, what beautiful. Oh, I love this one. So pretty. See how that works? I'm always asked what we do with all of our eggs. Most of them we use, but we do have regular customers and an egg stand out front where we do sell our eggs. You won't believe I actually remembered my egg basket. Okay, now we need to go check our omelet coop and see if any have laid in there. Surprisingly, no eggs in there. Friends, these eggs are gorgeous. Oh, I love them. All right, bye friends.